As it turns out, I'm really cramped in this place, so I have to go around the cooling hoses. I have to clear the brake pedal. When I cut the corner of this, I'm gonna have a curved wall around the cooling pipes. I'd really like to hammer out a nice dome, but I don't think I have the skills for that yet. Nice. Seems that I have it in place. So I'm removing all the things that go through the firewall, and that means removing some wiring and cables. I'm planning to make a template for the bulge. Okay. I'm gonna do the simple geometry. Okay, so this will be around the engine. Piece is bent and I cut out the corner for this. Left side is 360 265. This piece came out really nicely. I cut out such a plate for this part, and this is gonna be the trickiest. I think I'm gonna weld it at this point and just try to tack it and bend it and hammer it in place. So I need to fill in some gaps, but overall the floor and the firewall is done. I'm gonna be installing the fan, the cooling. I got this universal fan. It's a pulling fan, so it must be mounted on the inside and it will draw the air through the radiator. A lightweight bracket for the fan. Fan drawn on the sheet metal. Now I'm going to cut the inner circle. Okay, it does not fit. Wait. Okay. It was on the last millimeter, but it got through.